When you are creating educational content for LinkedIn, you have one objective, and that is to give your audience a quick win. Give them something that they can go apply immediately and get that quick win so that it keeps them coming back to you. I'm going to show you my method that I use to create all of my educational content. Come take a look. I call this the C method: simple, effective, and actionable. And if each piece of your content follows these 3 criteria, it is going to get a big return for your audience. S is simple. So what you want to do here is you want to make it so easy for your audience to implement this tip. So avoid jargon and avoid giving them too many things or too many steps. Just give them one thing that they can do right away. Now moving on to E, which is effective. My definition for effective means that either you or one of your clients has done this before successfully. If you are giving tips that you were reading out of a book or you looked up on ChatGPT, no bueno. You always want to be speaking from your own experience in your content. And lastly, we have A, which is actionable. Actionable means something that they can immediately implement and get a return. Remember, the whole idea is to send your clients off to implement your tip and get a quick win so that they come back to you for more tips, and they also start to wonder, oh, if I get this kind of tip for free, what do I get if I actually pay? So that's it. I'm keeping it really simple today. Now, if you are looking for information on how often you should be posting this educational content, then you're gonna wanna check out my previous video right here. And as always, I will see you on the next one.